set for another round of the NGPC series here at Glen Helen. Look at this water. Yes, it does rain in California. This place is soaked, waterlogged. It's going to be a mud race. Let's go check out what these teams are doing to prepare. Oh, this place is a mess. Max just has their work cut out for them today, that's for sure. Tire selection, so important. Love seeing these throwback YZ graphics too, so cool. Check out what some of these smart teams are doing, like the point leader over here, Dante Oliveira. Let's see the bottom of that. Let's take a look. That is the cover. Bobby Dawson, he knows how to prepare for the rain. Bobby, you got to have that today.
Yeah,
right?
We got a little extra goodie. So
very cool, guys. We'll see what Bobby Dawson can do. Coming off a 6th place finish at the GNCC, leading the points out here, doing an amazing job. Dante has won the first 2 races this year, so looking to get his first win at Glen Helen in this series. His mechanic Bobby Dawson. They are hungry today. Monday. Oh my gosh, we got a mud fest out here. It's cold, it's chilly, the ladies know it. It's not your typical SoCal weather, is it, ladies? It is wet. You might be saying, what the heck is Jack doing in California? That's right, we hopped on a flight, left Daytona Beach Bike Week, and now we are here for round number 3 of the NGPC series. I want to let you guys know you can check out the live stream. We'll check out what Ryan Boyd is doing to Mateo Oliveira's bike. Not only do we have the hand guards, Ryan, we got a little tape for a little extra protection, right?
Yes, sir.
Very cool.
Little extra tape, little protection, keeps water, moisture, dirt off the hands.
Remember, guys, they'll go 90 minutes, so they need every single trick they could possibly get. Good luck to you guys. Oh my gosh, what a mess. What a mess, what a mess. These California racers are not used to these conditions. Everybody's got a different preference. Check out the handguards that Caitlin Jacobs has. Quite a bit different, that's for sure. Whatever the rider prefers. Here's the man to watch in the 250 category, all the way from Australia, winner of the first 2 races, and he's got GNCC experience. Mason Simmons, do you think that GNCC experience will put you ahead out here in these wet conditions? These Cali boys aren't used to this, are they?
We'll see. I guess, you know, I don't know how these boys go in these conditions. Haven't raced them in these conditions, and yeah, coming from GNCCs, we've experienced a lot of this, so just going to have to get a good start and stay clear and see how we go.
Good luck. What have you done to your bike? Anything special to prepare for this?
Nothing crazy, no. It's prep ready to race. It's just got to keep on 2 wheels and have fun.
Good luck to you. You can see how they've altered the course. Oh man, we got carnage already, guys. Amateur class out there right now. Talladega turn not being used. I don't think it's usable today. Oh boy. Yikes. That's a rough day. What a mess. Track crew has their work cut out for them, that's for sure. One thing I'll tell you too, for all my East Coast guys, if you're like me, you're like, no big deal, it rains every single day. We've had a million races like this. Remember, California, they're not used to this. This is not set up to drain well. This is a major event when this much precipitation comes in. In fact, we had to actually use a back entrance to get to the track because of mudslides. They couldn't use the typical entrance here at Glen Helen. It looks like that might be the end of the day for this rider, unfortunately. Total mud fest. Man, where is this guy's crew? Somebody's got to go out and help him. We got to rescue him. Next class getting ready to go off here in just a second. I guarantee you, that's as clean as these bikes are gonna be all day. Good luck, guys, good luck. Good luck to you. What a total, utter mud fest. And it's important to stay warm out here for sure. Jumping jacks, whatever it takes. Wow. Wow, I think it's safe to say you wore the right boots today. You don't want your flip-flops on today. Right? Oh my goodness. Welcome to the mud pit that is Glen Helen. Crazy, guys, total mud pit. If you've ever competed in a race like this, share your memories down below. I want to hear about it. If you got any tips, let me know. I've been in races like this, spent the majority of the time on my back, but hey, still finished. Brody DiMartino here aka Dare's dad. Brody, what'd you do to this motorcycle to prepare?
All we did was we ended up putting a scoop tire on it.
Scoop tire.
And, putting a cover over the air filter, another foam cover over the air filter.
Good luck to you guys. It's crazy out there today.
So we didn't really foam up anything else because it's not that kind of mud. So hopefully we'll be all right.
Good luck.
All right, thank you.
Oh, look at the mutter we got shaping up, guys. Here we go. Absolutely crazy. Glen Helen Raceway, San Bernardino, California. Look at this bike. It's almost over stuff. Round number 3 of the NGPC series. They've had to alter the course. It's chilly out here in California as well. They've cut off about 25% of the course. This is what's cool though about dirt bike racing in SoCal. The fans are here, more than 2,000 motorcycles. Here for what will be a thrilling round number 3. Goggle choice so important. A lot of them running an extra skin on their air filter. Looks like right now they're just making sure everything's okay. Here we go, guys. Here we go. We're gonna watch this start. Oh my gosh, where's your boots? Where's your boots at? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's a mess. Definitely a day where you need boots. coming. We got a massive start coming, guys. A massive start. This is gonna be huge. This is gonna be crazy. Get ready for this one. Trying to maintain control. Oh, here we go, Nicole, be careful. Be careful, Nicole. Ready to send them off. Oh my goodness. What we feared, guys. We're going to delay the start here for a little bit. We get this situation taken care of. What a mess. Like we're clear. We got that one away clean. Rough day for this rider. Is this a mess or what? It is so nasty up there, so soupy. Totally insane. Very tough day to be out there too. If you got through turn one cleanly, kudos to you. If you went down, it can be miserable. Remember, your gloves get wet, your boots get wet, your goggles get wet, and then you still got to run the entirety of this race. Makes for a very, very challenging day. And the last bear left to go. Shout out to these young warriors. Shout out to this young lady on W378. She's gonna take her shot at this gate drop. We knew it was gonna be difficult today. My goodness, what an event. Here at Glen Helen, San Bernardino, California. Ready to drop the gate. At least there's only two on this last one before we bring it home. Wow, crazy, huh? Crazy. You ready to get out there? That's true, it's better to watch. something a little different. I told you never know what to expect out here, guys. Really hope you enjoyed it. Do me a favor, please hit subscribe if you enjoy this content. Oh my gosh, I'm getting soaked over here. Hold on, more water coming. Let me get out of the way. But anyways, we got more videos for you. We're just in Daytona Bike Week Supercross Media Day. Check that out and subscribe to Racing Jack. You know, if there's anything fast motorcycle, Cycle Dragon Racing Jack is in from Glen Helen. Racing Jack rolls on.